Hi, I'm Natalie from California Khare Real Estate Group. If a home's been sitting on the market for months without selling, there are usually just three reasons why, and they're not always obvious to the seller. First, and this is the most common, it's simply overpriced. A lot of homeowners believe their property is worth more than the market says it is. Especially right now, when price sensitivity is high, this leads to listings that just sit. Even a great home will struggle to sell if the price isn't realistic. The second reason? Believe it or not, the listing agent. Some agents don't answer calls, make the home hard to show, or are just plain unprofessional. A bad agent can kill interest before a buyer even walks through the door. And the third reason is more serious. The home has hidden issues. Maybe it backs up to a noisy road, has foundation problems, or smells like a science experiment. If something's seriously wrong with the property, buyers will walk away. So here's the takeaway. If you're a buyer looking at a home that's been on the market for 60 plus days, chances are it's one of these three things. And that often means there's a deal to be made. And if you're a seller and your home isn't moving, it's time to fix whichever issue applies to you and contact us before more time is lost. Want real estate advice that actually matters? Call us at 408-888-3855 and subscribe to us for more insights. We're here to help you move forward with confidence.